Yes, morning team. Chris, please let everyone know that we are on for the call. Yeah, we're on for the call, and we're looking at Euro USD for a potential high of the day, high of the week, big high sell opportunity. So this is the structure that we have. This is a potential pattern we have. So let's wait and see how this candle is closing, and then we can make a decision if we have an entry for this sell opportunity here. When this second leg locks at these highs here, accept the risk, and let's see what the dealer is gonna give us, because we've identified the pattern. We're only waiting for the candlestick confirmation, and then we enter the market. So by now you should have an idea. You should have an idea where your risk is. All right, my target profit is gonna be at the Asian low. That's gonna be my target. So as long as this high holds, and depending if we get a mitigation, a pullback, then that will define where my entry will be and how much I'll be able to risk. Okay, team. So if we get a pullback back to these levels here, price gets back to that level, that will be my entry, and then my take profit is gonna be at that low. Right? So let's wait and see. We don't have an entry as yet. This candle has to close. That pullback there now gives the opportunity for a perfect entry, but it hasn't closed. We still have to wait until it closes. Then we can define what type of candlestick pattern it is, and then we can accept the risk and enter the market. So don't jump in, just wait for the confirmations. Right, the next candle has just opened. Right, but I haven't made the entry as yet. Let's see how this one will go. Right, that pullback there gives me the opportunity now to engage this market for an entry. So the entry should be accepted by now, guys. If any of you wants to accept the risk, enter the market now. Yep, so that is the entry right there on that pullback. The risk is accepted, and let's get some corned beef this morning. It's just patience, patience, patience. Right, so the risk is accepted. Let the dealers do what they have to do. Of identifying the pattern and the entry candlestick pattern and your execution is what we need to work on. All other things are easy to identify, right? So let's focus on our entries and the pattern identification. So let's use this example here. We've executed this market together, and let's see if the corned beef is gonna come. So developer playbook, design your charts and see what things that you need to see, and then when they appear on the charts is the only time that you get to react. So this is the result that we have here. The process is as good as the results.